Hello everyone, welcome to our first session of E-Thinker Weekend for this year. We are so excited to be with all of you again, and we hope that you will join all the activities we have lined up for you. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Madiha.
And I'm Shafawi. It's so good to be back with another season of E-Thinker Weekend for 2022. So, Madiha, what is the experiment that we are going to do today?
Okay, for today, let's have fun with chemistry, Shafawi. Have you seen a lava lamp before? This cool lamp is made from colored wax suspended in a liquid. Once you turn on the switch, the base is heated by a light bulb, hitting the colored wax and it becomes less dense and rises. But today, instead of using heat and convection, we will be using chemistry. Let's do our very own DIY lava lamp.
Whoa, we will make a lava? Sound a little bit scary but adventurous. But I can't wait to do that.
Don't worry, Shafawi, we are not using hot lava, but we will be using materials that you can easily get from your kitchen. Let's make sure you have all these materials with you. To DIY a lava lamp with us, you need a clear glass, this one, or a plastic cup, cooking oil, let me show to you, this one, food coloring, a baking soda, this one, vinegar, a tablespoon, and also a bowl. Okay, and get your phone flashlight for a fun light show. If you have them ready, you can type ready in the comment.
Before we start, let's go through some of the tips, suggestions, and precautions about these activities. The good news is this experiment is a mess-free chemical reaction. However, we recommend you to protect your working space with layer of plastic sheet or newspaper to avoid spilling. You can use dark food coloring to observe the reaction clearly, or to get even cooler result, you can use a few different colors. Once you are done with this activity, remember to dispose all the mixture as you would with any cooking oil, and please do not drink or ingest any of the materials we are using today. Okay, my dear, I think we are now ready to have some fun.
Cool. So first, grab our clear glass or plastic cup, and then we are going to add 3 tablespoons of baking soda in this clear glass or plastic cup. Let's count together, okay? So I will start first, and then Shafawi will follow me. Let's count together with me, yeah? 1, 2, and 3. Okay, Shafawi, your
Alright.
turn.
Okay. So it's 3 tablespoons, right? So 1, 2, and 3. All right.
Great. If you are using a big glass or plastic cup, you can add more baking soda until it completely covers the bottom part of the container. Okay. Now fill the rest of your container with cooking oil slowly until almost full. Let me show to you. Oops. Okay, Martin, be careful.
Okay.
Pour it slowly to make sure it doesn't mix with the baking soda, okay?
All right.
Okay, if you are done with this step, you can type done in the chat.
Okay, seems like you're all ready for the next step, right? Now, grab your bowl and slowly add 5 tablespoons of vinegar inside the bowl. One that is done, you can add 3 drops of food coloring into it. So we start with our own vinegar first. Remember, 5 tablespoons. All right.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's do it together.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
So wait for me, yeah.
Okay.
4 and 5. Okay.
Okay. So next we're gonna add food coloring. I'm gonna use the blue color here, and Madiha will be use orange color.
Yep.
And we're gonna see the difference. Remember, we add 3 drops of food coloring. So just 3 drops, not so much. 1, 2.
Okay.
Okay. And then mix them together into something like this. I
That's
hope you guys
cool.
can see. Alright, just mix them together and turn
You
it
can
like
see
this.
it? Okay, it's great.
Alright.
Alright. Now, here's come the best part of the experiment. Are you ready to see the lava lamp in action? Give us a thumbs up emoji if you are ready. Okay, Shafawi, let's do it.
Okay.
If you are ready, you can add the vinegar mixture slowly into the glass or plastic cup. And now let's observe what's happened. Okay. Did you guys manage to start up your lava lamp? Share with us your observation in the comment section, okay?
So now let's add our vinegar mixture.
Let's.
Alright.
Oh, okay.
One more. Okay.
Okay. You can see this? Okay, how about you, Shafawi? Can you share with us about your observation?
Well, I can see the movement of the bubbles up and down. It looks like a
Oh,
lava. Now,
seems
let's
like
make it
me.
even cooler by flashing a flashlight underneath the container. So are you guys ready? Hey Google, switch off the light.
Ooh.
Alright. So right now, let's turn on our flashlight from our phone and see the results.
Wow. That's great. You can see?
If you see it more clearly, you can place this in a dark room and you can get the lava lamp effect. Isn't this mesmerizing, Madiha?
Yes, Shafawi, I could stare at this DIY lava lamp all day long.
Alright, so let's have more discussion. Hey Google, turn on the light.
Ooh. Okay. See here.
Alright. So, before we talk about the chemistry behind this activity, we would like to remind you to dispose all the mixture as you would with any cooking oil. Please ask help from your parents if you are unsure. Okay, now let's talk about the reaction and what happened that makes the lava lamp possible. Maria, can you explain to us why this reaction happened?
Sure. Happy to share. you got the cool effect of the lava lamp because a chemical reaction occurs when acid is combined with base. In this experiment, we are using baking soda, which is a sodium bicarbonate, a chemical compound known as a base. Meanwhile, vinegar is an acid as it is composed of acetic acid and water. When sodium bicarbonate and vinegar are combined, they react and produce carbon dioxide, a gas which you see bubble up as soon as the vinegar droplets come into the contact with the baking soda. These bubbles attach themselves to the colored vinegar and cause them to float to the surface. When the bubbles pop at the surface, the color sinks back to the bottom of the glass or cup while more bubbles continue coming up, giving you a colorful lava lamp style display.
Now, if you are wondering why vinegar sinks to the bottom and the oil floats to the top, the reason is density. When two liquids are placed in a container, the denser liquid will fall to the bottom and less dense liquid will rise to the top. In this case, vinegar is denser as the molecules are packed closely together and oxygen atoms are heavier compared to oil.
Besides, if you look closely when we pour the oil and vinegar in a glass, we can see that they don't mix. How is it possible? This happens because of polarity. Polarity refers to the way in which atoms bond with each other. Vinegar is a polar molecule and oil is a non-polar molecule. Polar and non-polar repel each other. Therefore, the vinegar droplets will not mix with the oil.
I see. Well, I think that's all for today. We hope you enjoy making your very own version of lava lamp, and most importantly, you understand a little bit about polarity, density, and the chemical reaction between acid and base. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in our FB comments.
Before we end our live session, please share your picture or video of your lava lamp on your social media and tag us using the hashtags TinkerWeekend, hashtag TinkerGang, and hashtag PSCPen. We are happy to inform you that we will choose one lucky winner per session and stand a chance to win cool merchandise from Penang Science Cluster. The winner will be announced every last week of the month. And remember to make your profile public so we can see your posts.
We hope you guys enjoy the live session. Thank you for joining us and see you in the next session. Muchas gracias.
Bye.
Bye bye.